Hello my fellow YouTubers, this is Custom Comments here with another review of the Neca Texas Chainsaw Massacre. And I think this one is based off the old one. You know, there was a lot of remakes of them, but this is based off the I think the first movie. As you can see, nice box, the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Very nice box. Actually, who will survive and what will be left of them? America's most bizarre and brutal crimes. Nice box art. As you see, warning, choking hazard, ages 17 and up. And my videos are for 13 and above. Just so you know, we're gonna open it up and see what you get inside. And as you can see, he looks good. He's big. Look at that. So that looks very good. A lot of accessories. And you see box art. In other words, that's the actual figure. So yeah, his potent main weapon is the chainsaw. So it's looking very good. Okay, well, now we'll get this guy out and see how he looks. Be right back. And here he is. Texas Chainsaw Massacre is all out of package. And we're gonna take a look on how he looks, the aesthetics, which I'm gonna spin him around where you guys can take a closer look. Very awesome. Yes, so I just want to put him in a little pose, and we will go over the accessories in a few after we get the aesthetics on how good he looks. And this is based off, I believe, the first movie, because they have made, you know, Leatherface. They made a bunch of Texas Chainsaw Massacre movies, but I think this one's based off the first one. So he does look good. Yeah, gosh, really looks good. So let's take a closer look. As you can see, the face looks good. So this all looks good. The chainsaw, wow. The pants got a little mark right here, but that's okay. Shoes look good. And look at his apron. Look at the blood splatter. Blood splatter on his arm. Chainsaw, wow, that looks really good. Really good. Yeah, so very awesome, man. So, alright, we're gonna go with some accessories. Now, let's look at the accessories. We're gonna take a look at the second head sculpt. So you're gonna get that in here to focus. Focus. So there we go with that. That looks good. Gross a little bit, where he messed up like he scabbed it too deep. And he was an ugly dude, so he'll go around kill pretty people, take their face, good looking people, and try to put it on his face where he won't be ugly again. Yeah. This is the meat hook where you hang meat, which he was hanging people, and God, they did so many gross things to people. And you got that. You have the type of hammer, which is nice. Pretty cool. You have a knife. So, yeah, that's pretty cool. Let me see the detail on that. And the meat cleaver. And that's not bad. Nice detail. And the famous chainsaw. I love the blood splatter on here. I like the gas cap too. You can see the gas cap where you put the gas in it. Look at all that blood, man. He's been busy with this thing. That's pretty cool. So very nice detail. So that's the accessories. And now we're gonna go over his articulation, and it's standard. You see the head is on a peg. It can go down this much, up that much. You know, it can't go up much because of the scope of the hair. But of course he has tilt. He has shoulder hinges that go up that much. He can do a full 360 with his shoulder. He has a single elbow joint, which that's cool, and that's a swivel. He don't have a hinge fist. It's on a peg, so you get a little bit of range out of that. So, and his legs, well, waist, he got a little crunch, not much. He's not much at all, but it can swivel side to side. The legs can split that much. They can go up that much. A single knee, but it's also a swivel, as you can see. You also have a thigh swivel, as you can see. The feet don't have much because of the scope of the pants, but go up that much. Very little, as you can see. But he has a little bit of ankle pivot too. A bit of ankle pivot. So it's not the best articulation, but for him, holding the chainsaw is the main thing you want. So let me see if I covered everything. Yeah, so nice detail in the pants. Has some type of wristband on. As you can see, I do like the tie. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Not bad at all. So let's see how he looks with the other head. Let's swap out the head. Let's see how this head looks. All these damn things creepy. Shit, that's ugly. Yuck. Whew. That's horrible, but it does look good with the sculpt and the detail. Wow. Yeah, so that is the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Yeah, he did some horrific things in the movie, man. Yeah, so let's get him back here. And now we're going to do a height measurement on this guy. He stands almost 7 inches tall. So, okay, height. Okay. And now it's time for some size comparisons. We're going to do some more horror characters and some different lines. Okay. Let's do a Mayfix Spider-Man. As you can see, he's a whole lot bigger than the Mayfix Spider-Man, which is a 6-inch figure. Let's do a SH Fig Arts Broly. As you can see, because of the hair, Broly is a little taller. Okay. Let's do a Marvel Legends She-Hulk. As you see, they stand almost same size. She's beautiful. She's big. He might be a little bit taller. Let's do a McFarlane Batman Who Laughs. Wow, and he is bigger than the Batman Who Laughs. That's surprising. Okay. We're gonna do a Neca Freddy Krueger. And I know that's not right. Freddy Krueger shouldn't be bigger than the Texas Chainsaw. Let's look at it right here. They are about the same size. So yeah, that shouldn't be right. Freddy is a little guy. We're gonna do Jason, the big Jason, A New Beginning, I believe. He's huge. Yeah, so he's a big dude. I love this figure. Let's do the crazy Pennywise. As you can see, Pennywise with his tongue. That is very so damn cool. And they're about the same height. Maybe Pennywise by a little bit. Love this figure. Okay. And let's do one of my new favorite figures. Trick or Treat Sam. So, as you can see, he's a whole lot taller than Sam. Sam I am. Yeah, so that's pretty daggone cool, man. Alright. And there you have the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So he's a pretty cool figure. I'm very satisfied to put him with the horror collection. So yeah, he's gonna look good on the shelf. Alright, so if y'all have any questions or requests, make sure you hit me up in the comments. You can hit me up on Instagram. Okay. Alright, like and subscribe to that channel. And we'll see you next time. Alright. Okay, this is Custom Comments signing out.
Peace.